Hello everyone, Andy here. Let's have a look at the S&P 500 futures for Friday, October 27. For the record, today is Thursday, October 26. Time is around 6:30 p.m. GMT. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart, and interesting observation here in the S&P 500 is that we kind of reached the lower boundary of the wave 4 area. So we are, or we had a wave 3 here in the higher time frame. We came down, and this here is actually the wave 4 area, and we reached the lower boundary. Like, we cannot really go much lower anymore, or this would not be a wave 4. And if this is not a wave 4, then we can consider actually way more bearish scenarios for the S&P 500 and the markets in general. So this is something I will deal with this weekend in my higher time frame analysis. What to expect from here? If we zoom out, what could play out in the lower time frame? I would expect some kind of move up right now. It would be surprising that we just crush this area. Also, the DAX is at resistance, the Nasdaq is at resistance, so the S&P 500 is at the lower boundary of the wave 4 area. So it would be kind of surprising that we just without any warning or without any test crush the area right here. So therefore I would expect some upside to begin with. Then we have to see how we can further interpret this data. And also here, if we start to count from here, it looks like we have 5 waves down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are ending here with divergence in the 4-hour. So this starts to look exhausted, this pattern, and so that could indicate that we have a wave A right here. Then we should see wave B upside and then wave C downside to finish the wave 4. But the problem is that we do not really have much space anymore for this wave C. Okay, it is sufficient that we marginally take out this low right here. If this low holds now and we get a wave B and then a wave C down, like this wave C does not has to be very deep. It is sufficient to take out this wave A low, but at least it is an interesting situation that we should pay attention to here, this wave 4 area and this wave 4 scenario. So this we will do in the higher time frame analysis this weekend. Now in the 1 hour, I cannot really add much. I would say we have our 5 waves right here. Okay, in the 1 hour we are not ending with divergence, but I think we can see this here in the 1 hour as a separate cycle. I think the divergence in the 4-hour is more important for now, and so therefore, if we have a complete 5 waves up, then complete 5 waves down, then what typically happens is a correction. So here, if we go down, then the correction should be up, a correction up to actually correct this impulsive move down. So that would be my main expectation. But like I said, it's a bit problematic to also have a wave C down right here, unless the wave C just takes out this wave A in a marginal way, so with a marginal new low. but it is something to pay attention to. And I propose this weekend I will have a look at all the charts, putting everything together, and let's try to explain then some observations from the bigger picture, from the higher time frame. Okay, that's my analysis for now. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you this weekend for an analysis of the higher time frame. Have a nice day. Bye bye.